If you have some questions regarding ChatGPT, that is it free or not? Is ChatGPT safe to use? What exactly ChatGPT is and how it can make changes in our day-to-day life? Then I must tell you, it can do a lot of things, like it can help you in chat. Like, let's say if you have a support and you want chat support, it can help you with that. It can also check your grammatical errors. It can write an essay for you. It can write anything like question and answers and thesis essays. There are a lot of things which can be done through chat GPT, and I'll tell you that it is absolutely free. As of now, it is free. ChatGPT is a prototype artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI that specializes in dialogue. And I'll tell you how you can sign up with that. Here, you just need to open a new tab and type chat GPT and hit enter. And here you will find ChatGPT, the openai.com. Please make sure that you only visit openai.com and hit enter, and you will find a window like this where you have API, research, blog, and about. You need to click on API, and here you will get login and sign up. So you can log in with your email, your Microsoft account, and it will only take 60 seconds to sign up with this OpenAI. So you can do that. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video regarding ChatGPT. Have a wonderful day.